All right, part 2. Let's try this again. Sorry for getting cut off. All right, so again, how do you do a line of best fit? Now, a line of best fit basically is a line that tries to take some data and turn it into a linear equation for prediction purposes and data analysis. So to use our calculator to do so, again, you press Stat, and to enter some information, you go to Edit, and you have your L1 and your L2. So X goes into L1. Now it says 2000, 2003. You don't have to enter all those. You can enter 0, and then you can enter 3, 4, 6, and 8. And then you slide over to L2. And then you type in your Y column, which is going to be 7, 10, 9, 14, and 18. Now remember, this is just some fictional data that I came up with representing the number of A's in certain years from 2000 to 2008. So what we're going to do now is we can tell our calculator to come up with an equation that kind of represents what's going on here. To do that, you press Stat again, but now you're going to slide over to the Calc menu, and number 4 is LinReg, which stands for linear regression. You press number 4. And then you just have to press Enter, and it'll give you an A and a B, and A is your slope and B is your y-intercept. Okay, so to do this, all you have to do is write a equation, which is y is equal to, let's round to 3 decimal places, 1.370x plus 5.848. Okay, so then we're going to predict how many A's we're going to have in 2013. Now remember, because we didn't use 2000, 2003, the only number you need for this is 13. So that you just use your calculator. 1.30 or 370 times 13 plus 5.848. And just use your calculator. 1.37 parentheses 13, close your parentheses, 5.848. Sorry, got to go back and insert a plus sign here. Press Enter, and we're going to have approximately 23.658. I don't really think you can have partial, so approximately 24 students will get an A. So, did we use interpolation or extrapolation? Well, for this particular example, we just use extrapolation. Now, extrapolation is when you predict outside of a given domain. So our domain for this example was 2000 to 2008. So since we are outside of that range, that's called extrapolation, okay? Outside of domain. If we would have done something, say 2002, because it's between 2000 and 2008, that's inside of the domain, that's when we would have used interpolation. Okay? So that is part 2 of your video on how to write a line of best fit. We will see you soon. If you have any questions about your calculator, please ask. If you deleted one of your L1s or L2s on accident, see me. I will perform surgery on your calculator and get them back for you. Have a good one.